Hello. Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words here and here. Here and here are homophones, meaning they sound alike but have different meanings and spellings. Let's look at each one individually. Here. Adverb used to refer to a specific place or location, used to indicate where something is. For example, please come here and sit down. The book is right here on the table. Here. Verb used to perceive sound through the ear, to listen. For example, did you hear that loud noise? I can hear the birds singing outside. To summarize, here refers to a location. Here refers to the act of listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.